Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the YouTube TV keep asking you to sign in again and again. So how can you solve this problem? So here is a step-by-step guide on how you can solve it and avoid this kind of issue. So first of all, here is the first step: remove the channel. So basically the channel is kind of YouTube TV or application. So just remove or delete the application or the channel. Highlight the channel tile on your home screen and press star to open the options menu and select remove channel and confirm. And once you complete this first step, so just restart your Roku device or your TV, press home on your Roku remote, select setting, select system, and go to power and select system restart. So the first step, remove channel. The second step is restart your device. And third step is reinstall the channel. Scroll down to search, put the name of the channel or the application and highlight the channel or application and select add channel. So first of all, just make sure to remove it or uninstall it, restart your device and then reinstall the YouTube application on your TV. And once you do it, your problem will be solved. And if you're still facing the issue, so just make sure that you're not using any kind of VPN or other third-party softwares, and also make sure that your TV software is up to date. And if everything is fine, you will be able to solve this issue and you will not face this issue anymore. So that is a simple guide on how you can avoid this issue and solve your problem of login or sign in again and again on YouTube TV.